Hey all, it's Catfish Cameron, fishing on the bank. It's raining, a little bit of low air pressure, high humidity, cloud cover. Hoping to get in some channel cats, fresh bait. Hopefully we get them out of this wood. Trying the tiger rod out, a little bit lighter action, see how it goes. Carp, worms, and corn. Cut carp, see how we do. Fresh bait. Let's get baited up. There you go. Something actually have that now. Reel down. That is the question. Might have something on there. Yeah, that's definitely a turtle. He's getting himself hooked. Got a channel cat, finally. After the rain let up. Swimming towards me. He's hauling butt. Not a half bad one right there. Actually not half totally worth the wait. Not half bad, y'all. Not half bad. Keep fishing. Woo. That's not a bad channel cat. Heck yeah. Woo. A half bad little channel cat right there. Pretty thick one. Thick fillets on him. Real thick. Heck yeah. Keep fishing. Alright, there goes that channel cat, y'all. Channel cat. There goes that channel cat. Off to fight another day. Well, the second that rain let up, we got one and it started back up, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully get some more rolling through. Broke my line and took my weight, I think. Oh, maybe not. If I could just keep that sinker, dude. That's all I want. If I could just keep that sinker, right? If I could just keep that sinker on that. Got my weight back. That's all that matters there. On that left rod. That's a turtle. Darn turtle in this wind. See, seems like he's got himself hooked good. Yeah, he's definitely hooked good. Oh, we're getting bit on that other rod too, it looks like. Maybe that's just the wind. No, definitely getting bit on that other rod. Look at that other rod, it's going down. Big soft shell, holy moly! God dang, that's a big soft shell, guys. He's aggressive, super aggressive. Golly. Ate the carp, guys. Ate the carp. So aggressive, he's trying to bite me. That's a giant one. Pretty wild looking. Got something taking down that other rod. Looks like he's got that kind of boat up. Yeah. Gotta be at least 6 or 7 pounds. Not as big as my PB, I'd say, but dang close. Dang near close. Never seen one with that scallop out of the shell. Like you got hit with a shovel. Woo. Crazy looking, eh? Pretty crazy looking soft shell. Heck yeah. Oh. Let it fight another day. Buddy the soft shell, guys. Let him go. Getting bit on that other rod. Here goes that. There goes that soft shell. That was a big one, guys. See how big he is? Jeez, that is a giant soft shell. No playing around with that one. That was a big one. That would have been one heck of a fight on any other rod but the Whisker Secret. See that? Got him so hooked, right? Looks like it. It looked like he got himself hooked. It's a turtle. See, if we can actually land him. Get him out of the equation. Finally got us a turtle. Little turtle. Bunch of him out, I'm sure. There goes that turtle, y'all. There goes that turtle. Hey all, this was Catfish Cameron with another one. It's been about one of the slowest weeks in a long time for me on the Rio Grande. A lot of rapid temperature changes, air pressure's been all over the place, cloudy, sunny, hot, some little cold front coming through. It's been all over the place this week. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fishing action. Appreciate you watching.